Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Handy here. I am just going to do a few more examples of what we did yesterday. I know we don't have it mastered just yet, but I wanted to make sure that we got a few more practice problems, so I went ahead and recorded some of these videos. All right, so one thing I know you guys got down is the power over root, so that is great. So the top is the power, the bottom is the root. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my base of 36. I'm going to write my power, my radical and my power here. And then since I do not know the cube root of 36, so remember, excuse me, that little root, that's called your index. Sometimes I call it the index. The index is 3. That means we need 3 of them. And so since I do not know what the cube root of 36 is, just off the top of my head, I'm going to go ahead and then put the power next to it, okay, instead of on the outside, where you would normally, take the cube root and then square it. I don't know the cube root, so I'm going to have to square it first. All right, so we're going to go ahead, and since this is 36 squared, we're going to break it to 36 times 36. Right? Because it's squared, we have 2 of them. And then we know 36 times 36 is 6 times 6, 6 times 6. So remember, since our index is 3, we need 3 of the same number. Well, we can stop right here. You can keep going on. I'll show you maybe how you can keep going on. But since we need 3 of the same number, hey, we have 3 of the same number. So I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite this just to be a little more organized. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes. So since we have 3 of the same number, we're going to take 1 on the outside. So 3 on the inside becomes 1 on the outside. And then who is left over? We have our 6. And if you're going to make a mistake, this is going to be where it's at. Don't forget to write your little index. So this is simplified to 6 cube roots of 6. Now, let's just say you did not see, hey, we have 3 of the same number, we can stop here. What if you kept going? Guess what? You would get the exact same answer. A little bit more work, but you would get the same answer. And so here's another way. Cube root. I'm going to just group all my 2's together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. And I have 4 3's. All right, so then we need triplets. So we're going to take out a set of 2's. We're going to take out a set of 3's, bring them on the outside, and our loners that are not triplets are going to stay inside. So we have a 2 and a 3. So hopefully you realize once you multiply those together, 6 cube roots of 6 is the same exact thing. All right, let's try another one. So on your Delta Math assignment, you might see some like this. And so hopefully you start training your brain, hey, this is just the cube root of 15. So is there a number times itself 3 times that's going to give you 15? No. So we're going to have to rewrite it. The power, this is our power. This is our root. So we're going to go ahead and rewrite it. 15, put our little root here, and our power, we're going to put it on the 15. All right, so just like we did before, this is going to be 15 times 15. The 15 we're going to break down into 3 and 5, 3 and 5. And so once we do that, hopefully you realize we have 2 3's and 2 5's, 2 3's, 2 5's, and we need triplets. Our index is 3, so we need 3 of the same thing. Hey, we do not have 3 of the same number, so we're just going to leave our answer as the cube root of 9 times 25, which is 225. Or you can just say 15 squared, which is 225. All right, so hopefully this, we can't simplify anything, so you're just going to leave it just like that. hopefully this helps you out a little bit. If you need help, please make sure you ask me in the meet.